Hello, students. So, today's topic for your entrepreneurship is again of chapter 1 only, that is entrepreneurship's concepts and functions. And today we are taking its third part, that is need for entrepreneurship. Now, students, as we have seen that entrepreneurship is must in each and every country. Without entrepreneurship, no country can grow, no country can achieve the progress, no country can have the economic development. Whether that country is completely developed one, whether that country is at the stage of developing one, or that country is underdeveloped. But entrepreneurship is must in each and every country. But the thing that we have seen, or what we have experienced, or what we can uh, have experiences from entrepreneurs, that entrepreneurship is a risk bearing activity actually. It involves a high degree of risk. So it's not easy to be in an entrepreneurship. It's not easy for any entrepreneur to work, to show that same development, that same progress or growth. So entrepreneurship involves a huge risk. But then also we can say that entrepreneurship has to be there in every country. Now, for any country's development and growth, government plays a vital role in its economic development. Okay, and especially in developing country like India, which follows the mixed economy, the role of both government as well as private entrepreneurs is equally important here, because it's the mixed economy. Okay, we have vital role of both from the side of government also, and from the entrepreneurs, private entrepreneurs also. So here both work together and both cooperate and coordinate with each other. So in India, you must have studied about industrial policy 1991, which was the very crucial one and a turning point in countries economic development and industrial development. So industrial policy 1991 brought a huge change in countries economy. So today the topic that we are taking is need for entrepreneurship. Now, why entrepreneurship is needed in any country? There are certain most important things. Because of those needs, any country has to be in entrepreneurship, and any country has to go for entrepreneurship. Without that, no country can survive. So the very first need that is there for entrepreneurship is lifeline of a nation. No country can progress without the development of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is rightly said as the lifeline of any nation, because with industrial growth, with economic growth, entrepreneurship is very much related, because these are the only people like entrepreneurs, those who assist in that, and those who work for the country for the economic growth. They are the people who are the main developers of the country, developers of that country's growth, and they are the main people responsible for the country's development. So it is the lifeline of a nation. Every country depends on entrepreneurship, because more and more entrepreneurs is a sign of country's development, that people are coming forward to be in entrepreneurship. They are setting up their own units, they are setting up their own business, their enterprises, and they are working on their own, not under someone, but on their own. So that means there are more and more entrepreneurs. People are working more, and they have that creative mind, they have that creative thinking. That means that country is on developing verge. Okay, so it is the lifeline of a nation. Second thing, or we can say the second need for entrepreneurship is it provides innovation, of course. And undoubtedly we can say that entrepreneurship is very much related to creative thinking. Entrepreneurship is very much related to something creative. Okay, so entrepreneurs are undoubtedly very much creative. They have new ideas, they have imaginations, they have vision, and they have creativity. And that's why they are into entrepreneurship, because they believe that they can do something different, they can do something new, and they can bring something better for the country. They can serve the people of the country with their better thinking, with their better creativity and their products or whatever they are offering. So entrepreneurship uh, is needed so that it can provide innovation, something new to the market, something creative thing, some new thing. Okay, the third thing is change of growth, or we can say inclusive growth. Any enterprise has to operate in changing environment. The environment will never be the same always. Okay, there will be some new things, there will be some new changes where the people have to work, where the entrepreneurs have to work, and they have to cope up with that changed environment. So they have to mold, or they have to mold their enterprise also according to the environment, according to the demands, according to the taste, according to the preferences, according to the likings of the people. So entrepreneurship is needed, that creativity or that skill is needed so that they can cope up with the new environment, with the changing environment. Fine. So here also the entrepreneurship is needed. Fourth comes increased profits. Now profits can be increased in any enterprise by increasing the prices, by reducing the cost, but people are, or the entrepreneurs we can say, are never satisfied with small things. Okay, they have to go for something new, they have to search for something better and huge profits. So entrepreneurship, by reducing costs or increasing its profits and providing opportunities for future growth and development. Okay, so there must be something creative, there must be some certain skill where the entrepreneurs have to work. Okay, with that they have to work, and they have to increase their profits. So because of those profits, entrepreneurship is needed. Now fifth comes employment opportunities. Now it's quite common that as and when entrepreneurship would increase, entrepreneurs would be more, there will be more job opportunities, there would be more employment opportunities in the country. So entrepreneurship is very much needed for generating new employment opportunities, for providing jobs to the people who don't have, and for creating jobs, new jobs. Okay, it's not like, because many people are jobless, and even they possess uh, many skills, they possess much knowledge, qualification, but still they are jobless because they don't want to work as underemployed, or where they are not, their skills are not of any use. So entrepreneurs give opportunities to such kind of people, entrepreneurs hire such kind of people, and they work with these people so that they can make use of their skills, make use of their qualifications, and make use of their energy, that positive energy that they possess. So entrepreneurship obviously creates job opportunities or employment opportunities. Last one, that is the sixth one, is social benefits. Entrepreneurship is not only beneficial to business enterprise actually, but it is beneficial to society at large, to the nation. Okay, it's not only limited to that entrepreneur or to that business enterprise, but it is beneficial for everybody, because it raises the standard of living by providing the good quality products, by providing something new, something different, something better, something more innovated from the previous one. So, and they also work for lowest possible cost. So entrepreneurship raises the standard of living of the people uh, living around. Okay, so that means directly or indirectly it is working for the benefit of society, working for the benefit of people. So social benefits is also the main thing, and that's why it needs, because of this thing we need entrepreneurship. So here are the 6 points, that is lifeline. Entrepreneurship is needed because it is the lifeline of a nation. Entrepreneurship is needed because it provides innovation. Entrepreneurship is needed because it works for growth, and it changes with the environment. Entrepreneurship is needed so that the profits can be increased. Entrepreneurship is needed because it can generate more and more, and it actually generates more and more employment and job opportunities for the people of the country. And entrepreneurship is needed for the benefit of the society and its people by raising their standard of living, by providing the good quality products. So here we complete our topic, need for entrepreneurship. In next class we'll take the next topic, that is what are the myths of the entrepreneurship. So here completes our today's class. Hope you all have understood. Good luck.